Hey, what's up guys, Vic Christoph here, and today we're testing the video cameras on the new Samsung Galaxy A50, the new Galaxy A mid-ranger. So first thing that we'll do is we'll test the main camera. This phone also has a depth camera, only used for photos, and an ultra-wide angle camera, but unfortunately you cannot switch between the two cameras. Once you start recording with one camera, you're stuck with that camera. So first thing, let's test the main camera on this phone. Follow me around. As we're walking, you should be able to see how it does in terms of video stabilization. So let's walk quicker. We're taking a quick stroll in PhoneArena Park, our headquarters. Okay, and now let's move the phone up and down, see how it's adjusts to different lighting conditions. You see how it adjusts to different exposure. And next up, as always, I will step out of the frame so you can see how the phone does with continuous autofocus. It should be able to automatically focus on my hand and on the background. So first on my hand, then switch the focus. Does it do it? How well you do it? You tell me in the comments. Let's do this a little bit quicker. Okay, and back to me, and this time we'll test the digital zoom functionality. You only have digital zoom here, so let's zoom all the way in. This is the kind of quality you can expect when you zoom in. Of course, there's a loss in quality, so it's not perfect, but you get the option, and you can also zoom all the way out. So next up, we'll also test the ultra-wide angle camera on the Galaxy A50. Again, you cannot switch between the two cameras, so you either choose the wide one or the normal one. This time we'll test the ultra wide one, so follow me around. Again, you should be able to see a lot more in the frame with the ultra wide camera, which is particularly useful when you have tight spaces or you're vlogging in your room or something like that. The ultra wide angle camera should come in really handy. So once again, the phone is handheld, so you're also getting a good idea about the stabilization on the Galaxy A50. And this wraps up our test of the cameras on the Galaxy A50. Let me know what you think about the video recording quality in the comments right below. My name is Vic Christoph for PhoneArena. Thanks for watching.